Yes, welcome back. In the last chapter, we managed to install three things. First, we installed Python, we installed Chrome browser, and lastly, we installed Sublime Text Editor. In this video, we are going to install a package inside Python, which is called Django, which is a framework we are going to use to build our website. So, navigate to the cmd command. In the search tab, just type cmd and navigate to our desktop, cd desktop. Then in the desktop, let us install that package called Django. So write pip. Pip is a Python module which is installed by default when we install Python on your Windows operating system. Now just type pip install Django and press enter. But I'm being told that requirement already satisfied, which means I have Django installed in my PC. That is it. Let's move on to the next chapter. Goodbye.